birthday, Teacher Paz. Happy birthday po, Teacher Paz. Happy birthday, Teacher Paz. Salamat po sa sabi pagtutuwa. I love you. Happy birthday po, Teacher Paz. I love you. Salamat sa pagtuturo. Happy birthday, Teacher Paz. I love you. Happy birthday, Teacher Paz. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Teacher Paz. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Teacher Paz. I love you, Teacher Paz.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Teacher Paz, ingat ka po palaki.
God bless.
God bless. Happy birthday, Teacher Paz. Be safe, get stronger. I love you. God bless. Happy birthday, Teacher Paz. You're the best teacher in the whole wide world. Mwah. Happy birthday, Teacher Paz. Teacher, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, teacher. Birthday, Teacher Paz. Teacher Paz, I love you. God bless. My teacher. Happy birthday, teacher. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, teacher.
Good morning, Paz. Happy birthday. Thank you sa lahat ng tulong, lalo na kay Wayne sa QCU, at thank you din sa pagpapakilala kay Dr. Malihan. At least okay na tayong dalawa ngayon. God bless and enjoy your day. See you tomorrow.
Ate Paz, happy birthday. Ayan, hinihinga na lang ako ng video greetings. Ayan, ano ba daw masasabi ko sa iyo? Siyempre wala. Charot. Pero siyempre, sobrang thankful ako kasi ikaw yung naging kasama ko dito sa daycare. Ayan, sobrang mahal na mahal ka ng mga parents mo. Siyempre, madali ka rin naman kasing mahalin. At sobrang bait mo. Yan, sobrang dali mo mahalin, pakisamahan. So, ewan ko, sobrang bait mo daw kasi hindi nila alam, bully ka kaya. Char. Pero, ayun nga, sana mag-enjoy ka, maging masaya ka sa araw ng birthday mo. Yan, and, ano na, tara na, inom na tayo. Char. I love you, Ate Paz. Alam mo yan. Since day 1 pa lang nung nagkasama tayo, alam mo yan, mahal kita. I love you. Happy birthday.